Good morning students, welcome back. Today we are going to study a topic from the paper 1, that is PS EVS 401. You know that 401 is Eco Technology, name of the paper, and under that the topic that is corrosion. So it comes under the unit 2, that is green inhibitors. So today's topic is a corrosion. So what is the corrosion? Corrosion, here in two pictures you can find out normally if it is steel or iron or brass, these are the metals which they use to corrode. So corrosion is a natural process, ऐसा process है जो कि naturally takes place करता है, and during this process it convert a metal into a more chemically stable form. इस प्रोसेस के दौरान मेटल क्या करता है, मोर स्टेबल फॉर्म में ऑक्युपाई करने की कोशिश करता है, एंड दिस फॉर्म में भी ऑक्साइड्स, हाइड्रोक्साइड्स और दी सल्फाइड. So if it is iron, it get converted into iron oxide या फिर iron hydroxide या फिर iron sulfides. So normally you have heard about the iron oxide. This is also said to be the rusting. So when iron it forms or it converts into a more stable form, it is said to be the iron oxide form, or rusting of the iron has been taking place. So in this picture you can find out the rusting of the metal has been taking place, and it is one of the natural process. Now coming up to the definition. So what is the definition of the corrosion? It is the gradual destruction of materials. It is a gradual destruction of materials of you can say that usually the metals, by chemical reactions with its environment. So there forms a certain compound by means of the chemical reaction, and this process is also said to be the rusting. So the formation of iron oxide as well as the you can say that here the electrochemical corrosion, this is all, rusting is also said to be the electrochemical corrosion. And this type of damage typically produces oxides and or salt of the original metals. So corrosion can also occur in material rather than metals. So you can say that not only the metal shows the corrosion, but it also takes place in the ceramic and the polymers. But there we cannot say that the oxides or certain you can say that the oxides or electroplating has not formed. We used to say that the ceramic has been degraded or the polymers has been degraded. So corrosion normally it degrades the permeability of the liquid or the gas. ये corrosion क्या करता है, degrade कर देता है the useful property of material. Material का जो भी useful property है, so you can say that the corrosion, what it does, it normally degrade the useful property of material or maybe structure. कोई मटेरियल हो या फिर उसका स्ट्रक्चर हो, उन दोनों को डिग्रेड करता है. और नॉट ओनली दी स्ट्रक्चर इटसेल्फ बट इट ऑल्सो रिड्यूस द स्ट्रेंथ और उसका जो पावर होता है, आइदर इन केस ऑफ द आयरन और स्टील और ब्रास, वो क्या करता है, इट्स रिड्यूस द स्ट्रेंथ, appearance and permeability of permeability to liquid and gases. गैसेस एंड लिक्विड के लिए क्या करते हैं कि परमेबिलिटी को क्या करते हैं, स्ट्रेंथ, अपीयरेंस, सबको क्या करते हैं, फ्लक्चुएट करते हैं और इंक्रीज कर देते हैं परमेबिलिटी टू लिक्विड एंड गैस. दे कैन इजीली पेनिट्रेट टू दिस आइटम. सो हियर when these products or when these metals comes in contact with the water or the oxides, oxygen or environmental impact or environment से अगर react होते हैं तो then they used to corrode, and this type of corrosion and this activity is known as to be corrosion. So what is corrosion? Corrosion is a gradual destruction of material. धीरे धीरे एक material का destruction takes place करता है by means of the chemical reaction with its environment. वो एक chemical reaction takes place करता है and किस में, environment में.